Oh, big crowd coming back into a lot of summer camp groups. Oh, that's good. There's things to do for them. Well, sort of. Guess. Oh shoot, my phone feels funny. A bit loose. Tight. Okay. Last time we got, we got like a fiery red sunset. All the people here. Oh, poor kids. Oh, long day for the kids. It's Island Kitchen. I'm gonna mute for. Okay, quick review. I'm here at Riviera restaurant, I guess. Here at the Wards Island. Been here. Yeah, here it is. Oh, they do have Wi-Fi, but Riviera. And I ordered their single patty smash burger, $16. It comes with a choice of a side of potato chips, like potato chips, not French fries, or upgrade to a side salad of $5. They're charging me $5 for that. Oh shoot. Okay, for this they're charging me $5. Well, okay. All right, that's fine. All right. Oh, I should have asked for some mayo. Oh, there's their mayo. Okay. So, the bacon looks quite charred and made well done here, but all right. So I'm going to dig in. Here's the view of the patio. Wards Island, Riviera. All right, dig in. Not often that I order a salad. I'm usually eating French fries. But I just back. I want chips. All right. Balsamic vinegar. Take your bite.
What's you? Shave? Yeah, or you can like just that one. What? What's you?
It's good. It's a good burger.
Oh, cool. Where? Oh.
Take your bite. So, if you're visiting or you live here in Toronto, come on over to the Wards Island Riviera restaurant here. Take your bite. Yummy, yummy. All right, I'm sticking around for their brownie. So it's called a dark chocolate brownie. So I don't think I'm going to eat both of them. I'm going to wrap up one. I just want 2 bites. That's all. I just want 2 bites. I'm going to wrap it up. I love whipped cream, so I'll eat it up enough so I can eat up the whipped cream. But yeah, it's called dark chocolate brownie. That's good. Before the bees get at it. Oh, this is good. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's very good. Very rich, of course. Dark chocolate brownie. But this is amazing. Wow. Take your bite. It's delish.
Really hard to.
Wow. Mm. Wow. I'm gonna enjoy the second piece at home tomorrow morning with my tea. I'm so glad. I'm having a great time on my live stream on my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz C, with my viewers, my ONA cheerleading team, ONA members, the fan level, and we have believer level and groupie level. We're just reminiscing about the good old music, like the 70s and 80s, I guess, right? And we're just having a great time. So I thought, oh, I feel like some chocolate now. So here I am having their dark chocolate brownie, and it's delicious here at Riviera. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Wow. Amazing. Single. Puppy. No, go away. Oh, they're all coming now. Okay, guys. Oh, here comes the bee. Okay, we're gonna eat this. Maybe I'll cut a little piece and then it'll go in the glass. Put it in the glass. Okay, we're gonna eat this quickly. We're surrounded by bees here. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels all together. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Liz C. The next channel is Multitask with Liz C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Liz C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.